In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find remote jobs on Glassdoor. If you're looking to land a fully virtual role, I'll walk you through exactly how to search, filter, and fine-tune results, so you see the most relevant openings without wasting time. Start on Glassdoor and head straight to the Jobs tab. In the main search box, type the role or field you're targeting. Think Project Manager, Data Analyst, or Customer Support. Now in the location field, type Remote. This tells Glassdoor to return roles that are not tied to a specific office. Hit search, and you'll get a broad list of remote-friendly positions. Next, tighten things up by using the Remote checkbox. This filter is key. It narrows results to 100% virtual roles, not just hybrid or flexible options. Once that's applied, your list should focus on jobs you can do from anywhere, assuming you meet any eligibility requirements. From here, refine your search criteria to match your goals. Use the job type filter to choose full-time, part-time, or contract, depending on what you need. You can also filter by company size if you prefer a startup or a larger organization, and adjust the salary filter to match your target compensation. Salary info can be an estimate or employer provided, so treat it as a guide and always check the details in each posting. To capture even more relevant listings, add specific keywords into the job title search. Terms like virtual, work from home, or distributed can surface roles that might not be labeled strictly as remote. Try combining your core title with one of those words and use quotation marks if you want an exact phrase match. By the way, I've placed a link to Glassdoor, as well as download links for the mobile app, right at the top of the description so you can jump in quickly from any device. As you browse, always check the location notes in each listing. Even fully remote jobs sometimes require candidates to live in a certain country or state for tax, payroll, or time zone reasons. If that applies, you'll usually see it near the top of the posting or in the requirements section. Finally, save your search and set alerts so new remote roles come to you. Name the search, choose how often you want notifications, and you'll get updates whenever matching jobs are posted. That's everything you need to efficiently find remote jobs on Glassdoor. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more guides, and thanks for watching.